Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both apps. Open After Effects and join a Discord voice channel. Choose the same GPU in both apps to avoid black screens. This ensures capture works. Once done, set your composition to the exact frame size and frame rate you intend to stream so viewers see the correct timing. In Discord, select Screen Share, then choose the After Effects application window or your entire monitor if necessary. Make sure to enable sound if you want audio playback for previews. Now focus on capture quality and performance. You should pick a resolution like 720p or 1080p based on your upload bandwidth, because higher resolution can cause dropped frames. Make sure Discord's FPS matches your After Effects composition. If your comp is 30 FPS, stream at 30 to reduce judder. Choose 60 for smoother motion when possible. If performance suffers, switch from capturing the app window to the full screen or vice versa. That often stabilizes GPU handoff and reduces frame loss. Finish by starting your stream or recording and watch system utilization so you don't overload the CPU or GPU. If viewers report a black screen, disable hardware acceleration in Discord's appearance settings or run Discord as administrator. That fixes most capture permission problems. Once done, play a brief section to confirm audio/video sync and make micro adjustments to buffer or frame rate. If latency remains, lower resolution or close other GPU-heavy apps before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.